Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to screenshot laptop Windows 11. If you want to take a screenshot of the entire screen, press the print screen key. You can open an image editor to see that it has been copied correctly. Now, if you want to only capture the active window, you will use the Alt keys plus screen printing. Again, paste the screenshot into an editor to validate this. The system offers you this option to capture the entire desktop, combine the Windows keys plus print screen. To check the screenshot, you are going to go to the Pictures library, and in the Screenshots folder you will find it. Finally, you can combine the keys Windows plus Shift plus S. This will open the snipping utility. As you can see, with this tool, it is possible to capture or record. From the menu, you can select the type of capture to use. In this case, we click on full screen. The capture will be made automatically. Click on it to access its various editing options. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.